Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to add lights to the Felony. I don't want to add them to the body. I want to be able to take out the body, put the body, and not interfere with the lights. So we're going to put the lights on the bottom, and on the rear we're going to mount it on the rear diffuser. It's been raining here, so I haven't had a chance to take out the infraction for a speed run. So let me show you how bright the lights are. These things are very bright. Let's get started. Okay, let's make sure we have the right lights. Okay, so these are the front. We're gonna get started with the front. So let's separate this from the pack. So we need 2 screws. We have one right here in the middle, and we have 2 in the bottom, one here and one here. Okay, let's move the foam out of the way. Let's take this apart, move it out of the way. There it goes, if you can see that. There it is in place. And now we're going to tighten it up. Okay. We're going to do the same with the second one. As you can see, it covers the hole completely. You can't see it, so you don't need to worry about it if the hole is not perfect, or you know, little plastic that stayed in there. It doesn't have to be completely smooth. Now I will show you how it's gonna look on the car. Let's get our 3S battery, and let's get our connector here. Let's connect, and I like these lights because it already brings all the connectors. Connector, battery connector, you don't need to figure anything out. Everything's already done for you. I hope you can see that. Looks nice and bright. I hope you can see that. I know maybe on the lighting it might look a little bit greenish, but they're white. Now that we're done here, we're gonna do the rear. Let's disconnect here. Let's flip the rear. Okay, and these lights, we're going to put them right here. We're going to put one here, one here. Let's see if that works. There we go. Perfect. as you can see, nice and flush. You can't see any plastic left over or anything like that, so that's a good thing. Let's run it through here. Okay, perfect. Same thing here. Now we're gonna tighten up the nut. There we go. Now they're installed. We got all the cables here. Those I'm gonna wait to see where I run them and where I'm gonna keep it, but this way everything's gonna be on the car, so when I put the body, take off the body, I don't need to mess with the lights, or I should say with the wiring. I think that's pretty cool, pretty easy, pretty painless. Let me put the car back. We're all done. Let's connect the front lights. Let's connect the battery. Perfect. Now let's put the body on, and that was my main purpose, to be able to put the body and take off the body without having to disconnect and connect cables. So that looks great. Very nice, easy, quick. It doesn't take a whole lot of time. Very straightforward. I hope you guys like the video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.